Hello friends. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to import Illustrator files into the Moho program, so that you can animate or change them easily after importing the characters or Illustrator files. First, I enter the Illustrator program. You can see that here I have a character created from different layers. From the File section, I select the Save As option and then the Adobe Illustrator option. I will choose a name for it. In the Version section, I choose Illustrator 8. Now I will return to Moho's program. In the File section, I select the Import option. Among these options, we can choose General Import or Adobe Illustrator. I select and enter the file. You can see that the character is created in one layer. But we want to create different layers for the character so that we can animate it clearly. For this, I first select the head and neck of the character with the Select tool. In order to select other points, I select them with the help of the Transfer tool and the Select tool and holding the Shift button. Now I select Layer Effects and Break Apart Shape from the Scripts section. I choose the first option and press OK. You can see that a group layer is created with all the head layers inside it. We can select and change any of these layers. We can also delete these layers or change their color. I turn off the layer group and go back to the layer I entered. I select the body of the character and repeat the same work. Again, from the Scripts section, I choose Layer Effects and Break Apart Shapes. Another group layer is created, in which all the body layers are located. I name this group Body and turn it off. I go back to the layer I entered and select the hand of the character. I repeat this for all layers in the same way. I write the name of this layer as Arm R. I choose the other hand. I write the name of this layer as Arm L. Now I click on the layer that I entered and delete the layers that I don't need anymore. Choose the foot of the character. I will name this group as Leg. I go back to the main layer and delete the legs. I remove one of the shoes. I choose this shoe and choose the option, Break Apart Shapes. I will name this group Leg. I take a duplicate from this group and reverse it. In this way, we created all the layers separately. You can name and animate all layers. Now I change the color of some layers. Thank you for being with me until the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye until the next video.